We acknowledge the lands of the traditional custodians across country.
From the Noongar peoples in the west to the Kulin and Kurnai nations of the south and the clans of Nipaluna.
To the Ngunnawal peoples and the Sunrise peoples of the Gadigal and Wurrumai of the east. To the Yagara, Turrbal and Bindal peoples of the north.
And we pay our deep respects to them, to their wisdom keepers of the past, to the knowledge holders and seekers of today, and our future custodians.
Our lands nurture us as we continue the connection and our spirituality with country.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Adam Spencer and welcome to Realise Cloud. Realise Cloud is the first in a series of events hosted by Telstra Purple that are designed to provoke change, inspire transformation and provide you with the skills and expertise you need to realise your cloud potential. And as the name suggests, this event is all about cloud. This afternoon, you'll be hearing from Telstra Purple's experts, their world-leading partners, AWS and Microsoft, customer success stories and special guests about how you can take your cloud to the next level. Our goal today is to provide you with the tools and outcomes you need to optimise, manage and secure your cloud environment so you can drive future innovation within your business. Of course, we can't have a Telstra Purple event without Telstra Purple's people. So it gives me great pleasure to welcome Telstra Purple Executive Chris Smith to the stage. Chris, how are you?
I'm well, Adam. How are you?
I'm really excited to be here, and partly because I've heard to kick this event off, you and the team have been working on a special musical number that's going to open the show. Tell me a bit about it.
Well, Adam, Telstra Purple is all about action, not just more tech talk. So to kick off this new Realise event series, we wanted to find a way to conduct a real-time demonstration of the tech in action, to put our money where our mouth is. You'll see cloud, 5G, edge compute and AI technology all coming together to create a pretty cool outcome.
That's a very impressive shopping list. Talk me through how it happened.
Well, we asked the Telstra Purple team to record themselves playing musical instruments. And as you'll see, some took that term slightly loosely. And we then programmed these into Mimu, which is a unique music engine that uses AI and machine learning processes in the cloud to create the master track.
Okay, I love Mimu. So it uses cloud-based processing. Tick.
We brought musicians together to jam to this master track in real time, which is only possible due to the amazing Telstra's 5G network and, of course, our edge compute capability.
From what I understand, you had two in the CIC in Sydney, a musician in Melbourne at the MCG and a violinist in Toowoomba. For them to jam in real time, there'd have to be virtually zero latency. So that's 5G tick, edge computing tick.
That's right, Adam. Plus, we had Mimu processing the live feeds in the cloud in real time and incorporating these back into the track.
Okay, so that involves AI and machine learning, tick and tick.
And to top it all off, all the performances were filmed on 5G phones.
It sounds incredible, and indeed it is. Let's have a look at the result. Ladies and gentlemen, filmed earlier, live to tape with no manipulation. It gives me great pleasure to introduce the opener for Realise Cloud, CloudSong.
losing motion in my eyes. Yeah, we're not slowing down. Our time is coming now. I go, I'm out of sight. Take my lead into the light. We're not slowing down. Our time is coming now. 'Cause we're moving together. Into the sunshine, together into the sunshine. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Wow. Chris, can I say you play a mean keyboard? A little bit Billy Joel, a little bit Elton John.
Well, thanks, Adam. That's just the start of my talents. And maybe with Mimu, I could go all the way.
But that actually looked like it was a lot of fun.
It was super fun. But it's not all about fun and games here at Telstra Purple. We wanted to demonstrate the possibilities that this technology could deliver to your business. When all the musicians laid down their instruments and AI took over at the end, in near real time, thanks to 5G and Edge, they were able to go and do something more important, connect with one another, debrief on the experience, and start innovating on the next project. It's a pretty powerful analogy for how this kind of tech can work for businesses now and into the future, don't you think?
Yeah, absolutely. And a spectacular start to Realise Cloud. So I'm very excited now to welcome our first keynote speaker to the stage. Well, in fact, Chris, you are already here, so I guess I better jump off stage and leave you to it. Ladies and gentlemen, Telstra Purple Executive, Mr. Chris Smith.
Thanks, Adam. Welcome to Telstra Purple Realise Cloud, the first of a very special new series of events and experiences designed to empower you with the knowledge and means to realise the potential of your business. Today's a brilliant opportunity to hear from the most important players in cloud who will share the solutions that are literally transforming businesses all over the world. You'll be inspired by the success of both Vic Roads and the Department of Defence in their journey to the cloud, and you'll be able to participate in sessions with Telstra Purple experts. I'm also really looking forward to hearing all about no bullshit innovation from David Rowan, founder and former editor of Wired magazine. So today you'll hear about applications, architecture, workloads, workplace and workforce. But what we really want you to take out of Realise Cloud is the possibility that all of this offers your teams and your business. We believe that the right cloud ecosystem managed expertly on the right network is the biggest game changer in technology right now. That's why our first Realise event is all about cloud. We've seen time and time again that organisations that get cloud right create the space and agility to be more creative, more innovative, and have the ability to deploy their resources on the things that matter most to their customers. And that's ultimately what we want for all of our businesses, to keep the main thing the main thing. A lot of what we talk about with our customers every day is what the changing nature of their workplace, their workloads and their workforce means for their network and their IT requirements today, tomorrow and into the future. As we all know too well, work from home became a reality for most organisations in 2020. And if we rewind just 2 years, flexible working was something that was beginning to transform the nature of our workplaces and our cultures. Most progressive organisations were working through what that meant for them and tweaking their tech stack bit by bit to accommodate it. Then bang, COVID hit us and forced 5 years of change on us in a matter of weeks. And while phase one of that change was work from home, that has quickly become work from everywhere. But I do just love that headline, work from everywhere. It's such an empowering vision for employees. It unlocks previously untapped potential and talent for people living outside of our usual CBD locations and gives us all the power to manage a better work-life balance. But let's spend a minute exploring what that really means for businesses. Work from everywhere means planning for a very different distribution of all of our teams and our workloads than we could ever have imagined. It means instead of building infrastructure, connectivity, network, application and security requirements for a handful of locations, you may be considering hundreds or even thousands of locations now and forevermore. This on-premise, off-premise reality brings into play so many considerations for businesses and has meant a rapid retooling and investment in hardware, software and network requirements. But without a doubt, one of the most important enablers of this reimagined future is how we all embrace, optimise and manage our cloud requirements. For us at Telstra, we sent 24,000 people to work from home when COVID hit. What that really meant was we had to ensure that almost 24,000 Telstra branch locations and millions of workloads were operating securely and efficiently from all over Australia. It's hard to believe upon reflection that we actually did it all in just one weekend. And while Telstra was already the biggest consumer of cloud, we very quickly had to harness the reality of physical, virtual and multi-cloud environments and workloads to ensure we could continue delivering for our customers, who needed us more than ever to support their own journey to distributed workplaces and workloads. Today you'll hear a lot about the technology that makes cloud possible and the security and network management requirements to underpin that kind of transformation. But perhaps the most important aspect of a successful cloud deployment is the mindset and the capability of your workforce. Right now, Australia faces a drastic shortage in digital skills. I know some of you feel it every day. And it's a huge reason so many organisations fail, or at least fail to fully realise their digital ambition. Realising the full potential of the cloud for your business requires a mindset shift that pushes past the doubt and uncertainty that comes with change. And like all change, we fear the unknown, but that's where we come in. Telstra Purple can help you make sense of the exciting but complex ecosystem of partners, technology and experts you need to move from uncertainty to success. We can help you design, integrate, deliver and manage an end-to-end cloud solution for your business. We can help you scale your team, augment your current skill set and manage the network and infrastructure in the most efficient, effective way for your needs, no matter how big the change. It's that flexible partnership that helps you maintain your IT agility at all times that our customers value. And when you add that to the best network, the power of 5G and Edge, you get a relationship that can truly unlock your potential. The question of which cloud, when, where and how to transition and manage it all is a huge challenge for businesses, but it also represents a massive opportunity. If you do it well, it can save you money, optimise workloads, better distribute your workforce, better secure your data and contain your infrastructure costs, but importantly, it gives you the flexibility to spin up or contract storage and compute capacity and capability quickly and efficiently. That all sounds brilliant, but it isn't always easy to keep an eye on all of those aspects, nor is it possible to have the expertise to design and manage it all either. Telstra Purple exists to help you do all of that with you and for you, so you can keep an eye on what's most important for your business and your teams, creating the best experience possible for your customers. I hope you get the most out of the next few hours of Telstra Purple Realise Cloud. Once again, thanks to our brilliant partners, AWS and Microsoft, as well as Cisco, Equinix, Palo Alto and VMware. And thanks to our amazing customers that keep challenging us to be better together. Thank you, and I really look forward to talking to you on the Exploit the Cloud Advantage panel session next. See you then.